This is the BioLite HeadLamp 200. 200 lumens, multi-angle, USB rechargeable, and only 50 grams, this ultra-thin light delivers ultimate comfort and fit. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you'll quickly forget you're wearing it. The transparent polycarbonate front includes red and white LEDs, enabling you to access 4 different lighting modes, including a dimmable red night vision. Want to prevent those lumens from turning on in your pack? Activate lock mode at the touch of a button. Featuring 3D slim fit construction, the integrated front sits flush for no bounce, while the moisture-wicking band keeps you cool and dry. With runtimes of up to 40 hours on a single charge, you can leave your disposable alkalines behind and enjoy a low-profile, ultra-lightweight headlamp that's ready for the campsite and anywhere a little light goes a long way. Available in 4 colors, upgrade your headlamp today and bring performance, fit, and rechargeability to your kit.